Yeah, Andy, just let me rattle through the application, made some changes to it, so I'll just show you. So just log in as test. You'll come to this page. This is all familiar to you. So what we'll do is we'll create a new show. We'll call it Andy Mac. Create it. I'd probably go to this view show first and just set the show extent. So let's presume that the show is going to be done in Salt Lake. So we'll just go in there. We'll set that show extent. We'll go back. We'll add a slug line. Again, this is familiar to you. Add a slug line. We'll go to scouting mode. We'll set the slug line extent so we know that we're going to be filming in Cottonwood Heights. We'll set that. We'll add a point to it. I'm just going to add a single point. I've changed some of the fields here, you'll notice. So we've got the owner's name, we've got phone, we've got email. The comments field actually will, let's just show you again that. The comments field will go to the next line. So if we need to go to the next line, we'll do that. The other thing that's notable about this is you can actually change it. So you can actually increase the size of it. That is annoying. So you can change this size here. It's a bit tense, it's a bit sensitive, but you can do that. Let's make this selected and we'll save that. So we should have all the information there. So that's good. So we just added one point to it. The share option is next. So we'd want to share this with the producer or whoever is on the decision side of things. If you click on this, you'll see only the slug liner shows there, but these were editable before. Now you can't change these are just fixed, and then obviously the image is linked. So there's that. So they've decided on that point. We're going to go back to the scouting mode. Now what I wanted to show you was on the top, change the header as well. So you're in scout mode, there's the name of the show, there's a slug line. That's obviously going to change with show and slug line. So that's our scouting mode. So we're going to go back and switch to canvassing mode. There's our canvassing mode. We zoom in. I'm just going to add just one point to the map. We'll just make that a neighbor. I need to add the name to this. I just noticed that there is no name. We've just got address. Actually, that's not right, is it? Oh yes, that is right. Sorry, I'm being confused. Contacted is yes. Same comments field as before. So I need to add name to that one, but there's that one. We'll save that one. We'll go into manage mode. There's our manage mode. So we've just got the one point that we selected. We will add parking to it. So I'm just going to take a guess at parking's there. Again, we've got the address, the name, the phone, any comments, same size field box as well. And then we'll add catering to it. Boom, there's catering, same information. So we've got the catering set, we've got the parking, we've got the location. Now, of course, you can do, if we want to do the measure tool, of course, we can go ahead and create a line and go boom, 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 boom. That gets rid of it if you double click. But if all you want to do is just single click and go one, how long is that? And you'll see that's 181 feet. So there's the measure tool. You can cancel that. Of course, on the right, which you can't quite see properly, is the line tool. So you can add a line, you can add a polygon, boom, 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 and you can add some text. Again, I've made a mistake by not showing that properly on the screen, but let's make that hello. Save that. So there's all of that, and then the print option is actually on the right there as well, so you can print that from there. So you can play with that one. What I wanted to show you is, let's just go back to here. We can see all. So there's everything we've added to the map. Now I'm going to show you this is something we spoke about before. If you single mouse over that point, you see no pop-up, but second mouse over, you get to see the slug line. There's a little bug there. First time you mouse over, you should see this pop up. But if you want a quick summary of the slug lines that are in all, there they are. Let's just go back to here. If we want to, I'm actually going to add another show to this just for grin. So create new show. I'm going to call this Andy Mac 2. Create it. And then, we can go through the process again of doing everything here. But if we go back to show, and we want to see all shows on the top right, then we've got the two options here, the Andy Mac 2, which we just created, and then the original Andy Mac, which we were just working on. And there's that all summary. Again, mouse over, and you'll get that, 2 mouse overs, and you'll get that pop-up that comes up. If we were adding other slug lines in here, we'd obviously see those as well in this summary. So I think that's it, Andy. Very, very quick. I mean, have a quick run through, see what you see, anything that's weird, anything that's funky. But that's kind of the workflow now, with some changes, additions after our last meeting. You mentioned you might have some more time if there's a quiet period, so maybe play with it. I'm actually off to Italy on Tuesday, but I'll be on the email. So if you see anything that's funky, just email me, and whilst I'm away, I can see if I can fix it. All right, thanks, Andy.